If you've ever wanted to create your very own Telegram refer and earn bot, but felt a little overwhelmed by all the steps, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a working bot that can track referrals and rewards, but also understand the why behind each click, so you can replicate or even customize the process in the future. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Telegram app. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for managing your bot. It's always best to keep things organized from the start. Next, in the Telegram search bar at the top, start typing menu builder bot, those exact words. Telegram search is pretty responsive, so you should see a few results pop up. The one you're looking for is specifically called at menu builder bot. Don't worry if you see a bunch of similar names, just double check for that exact username with the @ at the front to make sure you're dealing with the right tool. Go ahead and select at menu builder bot. Now when you open it, you'll probably be greeted by some welcome messages. Simply type or tap start to wake up the bot. At this point, you're basically saying, hey, I'm ready to get things rolling. The menu will expand and you'll see a list of management options. Select Manage Bot. This is where all the magic happens. To create a new bot menu, choose the option that says Add Menu Bot. The process will ask you for your bot API token. This is super important. Your API token is like the passport for your Telegram bot. It connects everything securely. If you haven't created a bot token yet, you'll need to use BotFather, which is the official Telegram bot for creating bot accounts. But if you already have one, simply paste your token in here. Take your time. Copying and pasting the token correctly is crucial. Even one wrong character and things won't link up properly. So double check. Once you've added your API token and hit send, give Telegram a moment. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the service to create and register your new bot with Menu Builder. Now your bot is added. To see if everything worked, select List of Menu Bots. You should now see your new bot on the list. If you spot it there, congrats. That's a great sign everything is connected properly. Now we'll set up the referral part, which is really the heart of the refer and earn system. Tap the option to go back to the main menu in Menu Builder, and from here, you're looking for something called Order Advent. This can sound a little odd, but it's just their terminology for configuring your bot's special features. Tap on that and then select Ref System. This is short for referral system. Here you'll find your own unique referral link. Your referral link is what you'll share with friends, followers, or customers. Whenever someone joins your channel or bot using this link, Menu Builder will be able to track who invited whom, allowing you to set up rewards or points. Think of it like handing out digital business cards that automatically credit you when someone joins through your invitation. Make sure to copy this referral link and save it somewhere you won't lose track. Maybe email it to yourself or add it to your notes. And that's it. You've successfully set up your own Telegram refer and earn bot using Menu Builder. It might feel like a lot of steps, but once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble along the way, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Telegram tricks, bot guides, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.